Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take notes on iPad mini 7th generation. If you want to learn how to quickly take notes, you have multiple ways to do so. However, first and foremost you want to open the Notes app, which looks like this. For instance, this is the icon of the Notes app. You may be able to find it at the bottom of the list of these apps. If you press it, then you will open the notepad and you can start typing whatever you want to type. Once you are done, you can press done over here in the top right corner in order to save your note. Of course, you can go back to the note and add more things or remove, basically make some changes. You can also open the list of notes, so if you swipe from the left towards the middle, you will open notes or maybe even folders. You can create folders by pressing this button over here. And if you want to create a new note, then you should be able to find this icon over here in the top right corner. If it's not there, then it means you are already creating a new note and you can start writing or even drawing. You can also use this pen icon over here in order to start drawing anything you want to draw. And that's pretty much it. Once you are done, like I said, you can just simply create a new note or just exit the note. You may be able to, for instance, find the widget of the Notes app as well. You can open it over here in order to find your notes. If not, then you might need to use one of the icons. You may be able to find it on the home screen, or you can simply go to the app library and then try to find it over here, or you can tap on the search in order to find these apps here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.